lock key. Make sure you do your star to make sure the rim is flat on the roller. You want to give them a hand tight. Everyone, remember that star. I'll come back here, on top here. Give it a clear snug, some good tight grip on the top hole. Hand tight, hand tight, hand tight. For installing rims on your car, make sure you have your lock key. Look, man. For a lowering car, yeah, no shake. Make sure all of them are tight. And in my scenario, I don't have a 4-way, but hey, you have a drill. You go boom, boom. Keep that same start going. You want to keep that same start concept going. Alright. Next, when you let car down, you want to ease the car down. Slowly. Slowly let the car down. Once car is down, you just go on and give it another hit to make sure it's tight while they have full pressure on.